This could be the car for you. The 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.